closed up real good. They've been cleaned and everything. So this is what we're going to be putting on our shrimp and grits. Can't wait. I'm excited. Hey, I'm excited. Hope. Yep. And so I'm going to keep y'all posted on everything that we're doing. I'm excited because I really have a taste for all of this, y'all. Y'all don't understand. Okay, y'all, so we have everything started. This is the peppers with the sausage and the onions. This is the sausage with the peppers and the onions. I'm just excited, y'all, because I'm hungry. That's what we have there. And this we have the water. That's what it's going to be for the grits. And then right here we have the grits. The shrimp. And we put a little seasoning on it. As you can see, the garlic in there and butter, and put a little bit of olive oil in there. So this is going to be so good. Oh, yeah. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Doesn't that look delicious already? Okay, y'all. This is what we having. This is the everything bagel, and that's the plain. I'm excited, y'all. I can't wait. Oh, God, y'all. Them grits look smooth. Ooh, they look so good. Sausage and peppers. To go on our grits. Yeah, do some eggs. And then it's going down. And then it's going down. Hey. And then it's going down. Hey. Hey. Y'all, these are the eggs. We are having cheese eggs. Don't they look delicious? Look, y'all, we are done. Yep, I'm gonna eat all of it. I sure am. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh, I can't wait to dig into it. Look, y'all. Oh, God, it's so damn good. I told y'all. Look at that. Them babies are everything, y'all. These grits, everything. Thank you. That's good. No, it's 6:50 at night. We're having sausage, egg, and cheese bagels and shrimp and grits. So y'all gotta tell me, do y'all do breakfast at night sometime? I want to know. This is so good, y'all. And how y'all make your shrimp and grits? I want to know. What y'all put in it? Them peppers are banging. And y'all, earlier today, we had like a small snack, so we stopped at Wendy's and we had like a 4 for $4. And we didn't want anything too heavy because we knew we were having this for dinner. It was worth the wait, y'all. It's good. Now I'm about to get greedy and put some grits on top of this sandwich. These grits are so smooth.
Stir it, baby.
I'm about to drink.
Stir it. Make sure you don't see the lumps.
Well, y'all,
That's good.
I'm finished eating my food. And then I might come back and show you how we close out the night, get relaxed. Ooh, I'm getting full already, y'all, but I'm eating this food. Y'all, look. I tore that food up. I ate it. It was banging. I'm so full. Don't make no sense. Ooh. And we are about to get relaxed and light our candle. I hope you all are having a good day. We are done with everything, as you can see. And we like to hand wash our dishes. We don't like to put them in the dishwasher because first of all, we don't feel like it gets as clean as when we hand wash it. And second of all, it just takes up too much water. We might as well just do them by hand, y'all. Forget that. But, and we don't mind doing it. We don't use a lot of dishes. And another thing too is we don't like to go to bed with the kitchen looking a mess. We like for it to be clean. We like for it to look spotless when we wake up in the morning. And, yeah, so we're about to go ahead and get relaxed. And I thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good evening. See you next Vlogmas.